Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Garage Door, the MVP All-Star Opener. This is the predecessor to the Alistair Type 2A. You can see this one here's got a solid rail. I'm going to show you all the way down. It's got safety eyes, which are good. It's a great durable machine. Inside it's got the V-belt, not that little gear like the LiftMasters have. And then the feature that I like the most, I'm going over here, is you got an open, stop, close, and a light button, all in one. So for all your All-Star needs, please call us. MVP All-Star 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com, or in person, 650 Ogden, Downers Grove. And I encourage you always to praise the Lord.